Now we are moving on to the next topic, that is laws of exponent, and now dividing power with the same base. Now again I'll explain. When I say a raised to 5, 5 is a power and my a is a base. When I dividing two number whose base is same, two exponential numbers where the base is same. Yeah, so now see, I am dividing a raised to the power 5, I am dividing by a raised to the power 3. Now let me simplify this. A raised to the power 5. So how am I going to write? A into A into A into A, 1, 2, 3, 4 and A. That comes out to be A raised to the power 5. Now A raised to the power 3. So I will write A into A into A. Now these are multiplying to itself and this 3 A's are dividing. So this A gone, this A gone, this A gone. So the remaining is A into A. Now convert this to the exponential form. So A into A is nothing but a square. A raised to the power 2. Now here if you look, the power was A. Now I solve this straight away over here. This comes out to be A 5 minus 3. Yeah. So again I'll get with this calculation a square. So now what we need to understand, when we divide the power with the same, we subtract the power of numerator from the power of denominator. And then so this is now I am subtracting the power of denominator from the numerator. So my a raised to the power 5 divided by a cube comes out to be a square. Now let's check with the numerical example. Now I say 3 raised to 4 divided by 3 square. So how am I going to write 3 raised to 4? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 3 square. 3 into 3. So this 3 gone, this 3 gone. So the left out is 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is nothing but 3 square. That means 3 raised to 4 minus 2. That is 3 square. So if we solve this straight away in this manner, this answer and this answer comes out to be a same. So when you're dividing power with same base, we will be subtracting the power of denominator from the power of a numerator. And we need to keep in mind, see here you need to keep one thing in mind, 2 raised to 3 and 3 raised to 2 are not with the same base. Here, though the power they appears to be little similar, but there is a huge difference. On the first case, the base is 2. Neither multiplication nor the subdivision with this rule which we studied today can be used for this kind of exponent number. 2 raised to 3 is a different and 3 raised to 2. Here the 2 raised to 3, the base is 2 and the power is 3. In other case, the base is 3 and the power is 2. So you have to simplify, you have to find the number and find the multiplication or division, whatever it is, between these two exponent numbers. But here, since the base is same, when we do a multiplication, we add the power. When we do division, we subtract the power of denominator from the power of a numerator. We don't see which one is the large. We simply subtract the power that you need to keep in mind. So even if this is if I'll take another example. Say here, now I'll take a new one example which you need to understand very carefully. So if I say 2 raised to 2 divided by 2 raised to 7. Now what the rule I said? When the base is same, and division is the operation, what you will be doing? You will be subtracting the power of denominator from the numerator. So what you will be doing? 2 raised to 2 minus 7. So the sign of 2 is not mentioned, so it's a plus. So now 2 raised to, signs are different, so we will be doing subtraction. We will be subtracting the smaller number from the larger number. So 7 minus 2 comes out to be 5. And sign of a larger number, so it's a minus. So the answer will be 2 raised to minus 5. It's not 2 raised to 7 minus 5 is a plus. It's a minus 5. So later on, when we move further, I'll show you how to express 2 raised to minus 5.